Siri Nature's Valley Resort. Open now. Entry 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Rain dance, water slides, badminton, basketball, regular volleyball, beach volleyball, box cricket ground, practice cricket net, swimming pools, pure garden area, pedal boating, kids dry games, swings, seesaw, climbings, multiplayer station, outdoor play equipment, sky cycling, trekking. Lavish lunch buffet, including 999 rupees only. For booking details, contact 9030676760. Siri Nature's Valley Resort, Ibrahimpatnam, Telangana.